Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter ha. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter ha. Ha corresponds to the combination KH. Ha is the sound some people make when they laugh. It's also similar to the sound some people make when they snore. Now try to write it with me. Ha. It's easy to write it. Let's see the three basic voweling signs when used with ha. First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be ha. Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be khi. And finally, there's a dhamma, it, now pronounced as hu. Listen again. Ha, khi, hu. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When ha is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be ha. Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Khas means lettuce. Ha. Si. Khas. Now let's join these letters together. Ha. Si. Khas. And next. خريطة means map. خ ري ي ط ي خريطة. Now let's join these letters together. خ ري ي خريطة ط ي خريطة. When ha is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be khi. Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. خطاب means speech. خ ط ها ب خطاب. Now let's join these letters together. خ ط ها ب خطاب. And next. خيار means cucumber. خ ي يا ر خيار. Now let's join these letters together. خ خي ي يا ر خيار. خيار. When ha is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be hu. Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. خبز means bread. خ ب خب ز خب ز. Now let's join these letters together. خ ب خب ز خبز. And next. خضار means vegetables. خ ض ر خضار. Now let's join these letters together. خ ض
ذا خضار.
The letter ha has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
خل
means vinegar.
خ خل.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ خل.
And next.
خطة
Means plan.
خ ط ه خطة.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ ط ه خطة.
And next.
خيمة
Means tent.
خ ي ما ه خيمة.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ خي ي ما ه خيمة.
And next.
خبير
Means expert.
خ بي ي ري خبير.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ بي ي ري خبير.
Here is how to write the middle form. Like.
نخلة
Means palm.
ن خ لا هي نخ له نخلة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن خ نخ لا له هي نخ له نخلة.
And next.
مخبأ
Means hideout.
ما خ ب أ مخ ب مخبأ.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما مخ ب ب
أ
مخ ب مخبأ.
And next.
صخرة
Means a rock.
ص خ
ر
هي صخ ره.
صخرة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص خ صخ
ر
ره هي صخ ره
صخرة.
صخرة.
When those exception letters come before the letter ha, it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example.
دخل
Means entered.
د خ ل دخل.
Now let's join these letters together.
د خ ل دخل.
And next.
أخذ
Means took.
أ خ ذا
أخذ.
Now let's join these letters together.
أ خ ذا
أخذ.
Here is how to write the end form. Like.
مخ
Means brain.
مو
خ مخ.
Now let's join these letters together.
مو
خ مخ.
And next.
فخ
Means trap.
ف
خ
فخ.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف
خ
فخ.
And next.
طبخ
Means cooking.
ط طب بي خ
طبخ.
Now let's join these letters together.
ط طب بي خ
طبخ.
And next.
نسخ
Means copy.
ن
نس سي خ
نسخ
Now let's join these letters together.
ن
نس
سي
خي
نسخ
When those exception letters come before the letter ha, it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
أخ
means brother.
أ خي
أخ
Now let's join these letters together.
أ خي
أخ
And next,
خوخ
means peach.
خو
و خي
خوخ
Now let's join these letters together.
خو و
خي
خوخ
And next,
بخاخ
means sprayer.
ب خ خ
خي
بخاخ
Now let's join these letters together.
ب خ خ
خي
بخاخ. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.